Here's a fretboard with a silicone string alike, and the body of the guitar with a real string in it, and then there's a manual here, different translation: English, German, Chinese, and others. Here's a charging cable. This guitar has a built-in speaker, but you can also plug this into an external speaker if you want to amplify or have a louder audio. It's a cover. It is actually a magnetic plate. And another one on the other side. It's actually a mute bar. There's like a sensor in there that if you touch it, it mute the sounds. And here is like a screwdriver, special tools if you want to replace broken strings in the body. So this is the fretboard has a silicone string alike. And here's a bunch of stickers. You can put it in the body. And there's thick, 3 pieces of thick. So and here's another replacement parts. You want to replace parts, broken parts in there. And here's a complete set of strings for replacements, from number 1 to number 6 strings. So yeah, if you want to replace broken strings or damaged strings. And here's also special tools, I think, to pick something. If you want to connect the fretboard to the body, there's just like a button that you have to press and then slides in until you hear the sounds click. To turn the power on, just push the power button and hold for 3 seconds. Here you can see there's 2 buttons here. One is for the microphone volume and the other one is for the power turn on and the volume too. And it has 2 ports here. One is for the microphone and the other small port is for the headphone. There's another port of this guitar at the bottom if you want to connect this to an external speaker. To turn the power on, just push and hold the power button for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's it. And I'm going to volume up. Yeah, sounds good. So this is it to standard tuning. And then there's 3 buttons here. So this one is for keep up and keep down. So if you want to put the keep on fret number 1, that's fret number 1, and then another one, the keep number 2, keep 1 till it goes here. If you want to bring it down, there's it's labeled here keep minus. So yeah, there's a light here, indicator light. Keep number 1, this one no keep. And then if you want to lower the tuning, the standard tuning half step, yeah, just press this. So that's half step lower. Another one, yeah, this one. Yeah, and then another button here in the middle is the tune. Oh, the tune. You want like let's press this. Oh, it sounds like number 3. Oh, let's put this one in the middle.